Balang araw, bababa rin ako dito sa pwesto ko. Balang araw, mamamatay ako. Makakalimutan rin ako ninyo. But let me leave you a message that is very important and could spell the difference between progress and development and maybe a failed country in the end if we do nothing. If we do not have peace and order, and if we cannot stop corruption, this government, our country, will never develop